because men work all day in the heat of the sun. That's why most men are black. Women usually like black men. Because such men are hardworking, physically strong and sexually hot. 3 signs of women who like black men, and they are: Number 1. Women who takes more often. They prefer dark-bodied men. Women with high timing, that is women who ejaculate very late during intercourse, prefer men with large penises and high timing to ejaculate. Comparatively, shorter and less timing men can't finish the lust in such a woman. Usually black men's penises are bigger and can last more timing. Number 2, an older woman. Those women like men with black body very much. Women who are older, generally love older men because they have more sexual experience, their private parts are also bigger. So such satisfying of women requires a physically strong and muscular man, and this is what black men are characterized by. Number 3, physically strong women. Women who like black men, such women are usually very strong physically, their sexual and physical desires are also very high, with whom they can fulfill their sexual and physical needs. Then only a black man is needed, so they can fulfill their needs with a black body. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.